Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial I want to make a cat wallet. This tutorial is for absolute beginners, so if you are an absolute beginner you can start crocheting from this video, and if you are not an absolute beginner it's okay, you can use this video too. So this is my hook, 3mm, and this is the yarn. We are going to make one slip knot as the first step, like this. Now we have a loop, a short tail, and a working yarn. Now I need my hook. Insert it inside of the loop. Hold this knot and pull the working yarn. Now my hook is able to move inside of the loop, you see. Now I'm going to hold this knot and the short tail with my thumb and middle finger and hold the working yarn with my index. So now we are going to chain. This is how I chain. Yarn over, you see, we call that a yarn over. Yarn over, grab the yarn, twist your hook, and pull it through the loop. One chain. Again, yarn over, pull through, 2 chains. Yarn over, pull through, 3 chains. Yarn over, pull through, 4 chains. Okay, you see, now we have 4 chains. Each V shape is 1 chain, and we need 22 chains. So make 22 chains, and I'm gonna be here. Okay, now I have 22 chains. I want to show you if you accidentally chain more, how to undo it. So first you need to take out your hook, pull the working yarn like this. This is it. Now you can undo 1 chain. Okay, now we have 22 chains. I want to do a half double crochet in the 3rd chain from the hook. So let's count them. 1 chain, 2 chains, and 3 chains. So this is the 3rd chain from the hook. Now I want to do a half double crochet. First you need to yarn over like this. Insert your hook inside of this chain. Like that. I have 1 string on my hook, and then yarn over, pull through that loop, make 3 loops. Again, yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops. This was 1 half double crochet. Now on the left we have the next chain, so we are going to yarn over again and make another half double crochet inside of it, like this. Now again, yarn over the next chain, 3 loops, pull through the 3 loops. Again, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through, make 3 loops, pull through all the 3 loops. Now I have 4 half double crochets. I want to make 20 half double crochets until the end of the chain, which is here. And I want to do 1 half double crochet inside of each stitch. So make 20 half double crochets until the end of the chain, and then I'm gonna be here. Okay, when you get here in the end of the chain, and now you must have 20 half double crochets, and you can count the V shapes to count the half double crochets. Then I'm gonna turn my work like this. You see, this was the last stitch we made. I want to insert my hook under the V shape, yarn over and pull through the V shape, make 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now there are 2 loops in here, you see, 1 and 2. I want to insert my hook inside of the 2nd loop, yarn over and pull through, make 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the 2 loops. I made it as the first half double crochet of row 2. So now we are going to work on the next V shape and make half double crochets. So first yarn over, insert your hook under the V shape. You see there is V shape on my hook. Yarn over and pull through, make 3 loops, yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops. Again on the left, 1 half double crochet. again on the left, 1 half double crochet. So keep making half double crochets until here. Then you are going to have 20 half double crochets. Don't forget to count this first stitch as 1 half double crochet. So after finishing this row, I'm going to be here. Don't forget to crochet in the last V shape of the row. So yarn over, insert your hook under the V shape, you see, yarn over and pull through, and 1 half double crochet. Again, I'm going to turn my work. In the very first stitch, I'm going to insert my hook and make 1 single crochet. So this is a single crochet. And in the second loop, which is this one, I'm going to insert my hook like that, yarn over and pull through, make another single crochet. So I made it as the first half double crochet. You need to crochet 20 half double crochets until the end of the row and keep going until the row 23. So I need you to crochet 23 rows of half double crochet, and each row needs to have 20 half double crochets. So I'm going to meet you after that. Okay, now I have 23 rows of 20 half double crochets. Now I want to change the color to the second color. So first of all, I'm going to undo the last half double crochet like this. And I'm going to make it again. So as always, yarn over, insert our hook under the V shape, yarn over and pull through. Now I want to change the color. This is going to be my second color, so I'm going to grab the yarn with my hook and pull it through the 3 loops. Now you change the color. Now turn your work, and as always, in the very first stitch, 1 single crochet, and in the second loop, right there, another single crochet. Now you can cut the white yarn or the first color. Yours might be different. So now I want to work with the second color and make 1 half double crochet inside of each stitch until the end of the row, and so on. Okay, after finishing the row 24, I'm going to turn my work. You see each V shape has 2 loops. This is the front loop. You see this is on the front, and this one that you see in here is the back loop. On this row, we only want to crochet on the back loops, so don't worry about that, it's not that hard. This is the very first stitch, so I'm going to insert my hook inside of the stitch, inside of the V shape, and get the back loop. You see this is the back loop on my hook. Yarn over and pull through the back loop, make 1 single crochet. Now I want to chain 1 and 1 half double crochet in the next stitch back loop, chain 1. Now I want to do a double crochet, so yarn over just like the half double crochet, insert your hook under the back loop, yarn over and pull through the back loop, make 3 loops just like half double crochet, but now there's a difference. I'm going to yarn over, pull through 2 loops, make 2 loops, and again pull through 2 loops. Okay, now chain 1, a half double crochet on the back loop, chain 1, and 1 single crochet on the back loop, like this. So this is going to be the first ear. Now we still want to work on the back loops, but we are going to make slip stitch. So what is this slip stitch? This is it. I'm going to insert my hook under the back loop, yarn over, pull through the back loop, make 2 loops. This is the first loop, this is the second loop. I'm gonna pull the second loop through the first loop. See, not that hard. Okay, so 1 slip stitch, again on the back loop, right there. Yarn over, pull through the back loop, and pull through the first stitch. Again on the back loop, we are going to make 10 slip stitches. So now we have 3, I guess, 4, 5, 6, 7, only on the back loops, 8, 9, and 10. Now you must have 5 stitches left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's correct. Now again, I want to do 1 single crochet on the back loop. So make 2 loops and pull through 2 loops. Chain 1, 1 half double crochet on the back loop. Cool. Again, chain 1, 1 double crochet on the back loop. My mistake. Pull through 2 and pull through 2. Chain 1, yarn over, 1 half double crochet in the back loop. Chain 1, and in the last stitch, which is this one, on the back loop, 1 single crochet. That's nice. You see, now we have a cat's ear. Now I want to turn my work like this. So we worked on the back loops. There must be the front loops in here. Let me show you from closer. So you see, these are the front loops. Now we only want to work on the front loops. So this is the first front loop that we have. So as always, I'm going to insert my hook, make 1 single crochet, and in the second loop, make another single crochet as the first half double crochet. We need to crochet 9 half double crochets in the front loops that you see in here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, for the last half double crochet of these 9 half double crochets, I want to yarn over, insert my hook. I want to change the color. Make 3 loops. Now I need the white color, which is here. I'm gonna grab the yarn with my hook and pull it through the 3 loops like this. You can pull the second color to make your tight. So yarn over, we need 2 stitches, 2 half double crochets with the first color. So this is the second one. Now again, I want to change the color. First, you should cut the second color and again connect it to your crocheting. Right there. Pull through. Now pull the white color, which is the first color, like that. Now again on the front loops, we are going to do 9 half double crochets with the second color. 2. Okay, after this round, you need to turn the work. 1 single crochet in the very first stitch and 1 single crochet in the second loop as the first half double crochet, and then I'm gonna crochet 7 more. This is gonna be the number 7, So I'm going to change the color like this. First, I'm going to cut this yarn and connect it again. We need 4 stitches with the first color. 2, 3, and this is going to be number 4, so I'm going to change the color, cut the second color, and connect it again. So we need 7 stitches, as you see down there, from the second color. You can see here the pattern of the rows and changing color. So I need you to crochet these rows, and don't forget to cut the yarn after changing the color, and then after that I'm gonna be here. This is end of the round 47. Now I want to chain 1 like this and pull it. Now you can cut the yarn. We should hide the yarn tails from here, from this side, and bring them to this side. This is going to be the back of the bag. So I'm going to hide them like this. You need your hook. Insert your hook, grab the yarn or tail, and pull it through the back like this. You need to do this for all of them and clean this part of the bag. Okay, after that you need to turn your work and pull all of the tails. Now we want to use glue gun. We want to use a little bit of glue on each 2 parts, each 2 tails. I'm going to put them like this on each other. Use a little bit glue. And then with the scissors, I'm going to push it. And cut the rest of the yarn in this part. Yeah, great. You need to do that for all of the tails. For example, in the next step, these 2 parts, then these 2 tails, then these 2, and so on until the end of this part. So I finished this part. Now we have these 2 tails, so you need to use glue to stick them to. And this tail. So after that you need to fold your wallet like this. Now I want to count the rows from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I want to stick the eyes on this row 3 stitches apart, which means in here with the glue gun, of course, and in here like this. After sticking the eyes, you need a needle and thread to sew the nose and mouth and cheeks. I have a piece of thread, black thread, of course. Make it ready for sewing. This is how I'm gonna sew the nose. Now I want to sew the cheeks with the pink thread. So we need a piece of pink thread. I'm gonna insert it from here. Now we need to hide the thread tails in here. We need to clean here, so I'm gonna use my scissors. I'm gonna cut these long parts, for example here and here and here. That's it. Now I'm gonna use the glue gun again. Do the same thing for all of the threads. Okay, so after that, we are going to use the glue again. Each part has 11 rows. So I'm going to count 11 rows from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. And I'm going to fold it from here. Right there. Now I'm gonna use glue gun again for these parts. And the other side. And you need to count 11 rows for here and then fold it like that and use the glue and stick these two parts too. Using magnetic buttons is optional, so you can use them and connect it like this, or with glue gun, no difference. Then your wallet is completely ready. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit subscribe down there to see other videos. See you guys.